with goals and dreams and knowledge deep and strong and pride.
Welcome, parents, guardians, and for the first time ever, students, to the Fall 2020 Virtual Open House. The theme at John F. Kennedy Memorial High School this year is success comes from both a shared responsibility and personal accountability. Tonight is really the first important step in helping our families share in the process of their child's education. It's incumbent upon all of us to ensure the success of our youth. It's also the responsibility of everyone here tonight to familiarize themselves with the tools being used on a day-to-day basis here at JFK. This familiarity with resources like the Genesis Parent Access, Google Suite for Education, as well as our new website, will help our families understand and participate in the learning process. Tonight, you'll be introduced to your child's fall semester classroom teacher. You'll get to explore and enjoy some of the many welcome videos and messages that our faculty have prepared for this event, as well as learn of some of the curricular nuances important to success in each of those courses through an interactive experience in Google Classroom. While tonight certainly has the opportunity to be overwhelming, we ask that you share the responsibility of navigating this open house with your child. In school today, they were given specific instructions as to the specific Google Classroom to enter for this event, so that you, our families, would be able to interact with the faculty at JFK in the same environment that they have been attending school in. Please keep in mind that the purpose of this open house is to provide insight into the education your child is receiving here at JFK, and learn about the resources being used so that our students see how success comes from working together. From there, we hope to inspire our students to both become accountable for their own success, but more importantly, find their path beyond the walls of this great school. The 2020-2021 school year began under the veil of uncertainty. However, I can speak to the promises that this school will hold to, despite the circumstances surrounding the uncertainty of this pandemic. First, that our school will keep open, direct lines of communication with our parents and guardians. That our school will tirelessly both engage and inspire our students. And that your child will meet with success here at John F. Kennedy Memorial High School, and they might even enjoy it too. The most difficult part of this event is not having the opportunity to meet our new families, as well as catch up with those of you returning to JFK. I look forward to the day when that's possible. But until then, please enjoy this event. Our faculty has been working hard on their virtual classrooms and resources, and I encourage everyone to learn as much as they can tonight. Ask as many questions as you can if you're unsure of how to access some of the information. We are here to help your child succeed. Until the day that we meet in person, welcome to John F. Kennedy Memorial High School.